Hello, my name is Anthony. Welcome to this session that discusses improved business object maintenance, which is available in the 23B Oracle Utilities Cloud Services. In this session, we'll talk about this new feature and how it can impact your business. I will give you an overview of the improved business object maintenance, followed by more detail to explain how you can use it and the benefits to your business. Then I'll walk through a demonstration. Finally, I'll give you some additional resources. The business object is one of the main objects that are extended by implementations. In past releases, the maintenance of these objects was spread across portals and context-sensitive zones that was inefficient. In this release, business object maintenance has been improved to reduce extension development and maintenance costs in various ways. The maintenance features have been consolidated into a single, easy-to-use portal. This replaces a lot of disparate zones across the sidebar and mainline maintenance functions. The maintenance function centralizes all common functions to the main screen to allow developers quick access to maintain definitions. And lastly, the most common functions are now a single click away rather than using multiple functions. There are several key areas where the business object maintenance has been optimized for developers, which includes consolidation of functions so that developers reduce the need for navigating away from the maintenance function. In past releases, sidebar zones were used, which was deemed inefficient. They are now included in the main screen. Schema functions are now on the main screen for common schema maintenance for quick maintenance. Existing schema maintenance has been retained for more sophisticated development. And finally, active cross-reference is now included in maintenance to allow developers to assess their business object definitions, which are used for better impact analysis. Now let's take a look at the improved business object maintenance. Welcome to the demonstration. So I'm going to edit a business object. So I've navigated the business object and I've opened up the business object batch control for this example. So as you can see now, the business object maintenance screen has been changed. So you can see here now all the common functions that you would do are here, including subclassing. So if I want to create a child BO on this BO, I just hit subclass and then it will create a new one for me. I can quickly edit the schema directly from here, as you can see. As a raw schema editor, I can do all the schema functions from here directly as well, including generate the schema and also save the schema directly from here. I can also make changes, and if I'm using UI hints, see the maps that are generated from here. Now this is all from one screen as opposed to the sidebar where some of these zones used to exist. So as a developer, I can get it all from here and all at one click typically. I can also see cross-reference information by clicking on the cross-reference tab. And this will bring up any cross-references where this business object is used. I can see the scripts and I can navigate to those scripts as I go through. So this makes it easier. Also, the other options that you've seen in the past, the algorithms and the options are also available to you as they were today. And the schema editor is still available to you to use for editing your extensions if you wish to use the advanced features and functions of the schema editor. For additional information about this improved business object maintenance, see the Administration User Guide on Oracle Help Center, which is available at docs.oracle.com. This concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching.